অনলাইন ক্লাসের পক্ষ থেকে তোমাদের সবাইকে শুভেচ্ছা। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। আজকে আমি হাজির হয়েছি তোমাদের ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর 20তম সপ্তাহের ইংরেজি বিষয়ের অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট নিয়ে। এটি ইংরেজি বিষয়ের ষষ্ঠ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট। এই বিষয়ে আরও 5টি অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট হয়ে গেছে। তোমরা এখনো যারা আগের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টগুলো প্রস্তুত করবে আমাদের চ্যানেলের ডিসক্রিপশন বক্স দেওয়া আছে, সেখান থেকে ভিডিও লিঙ্ক দেখে নিতে পারো, অথবা এন্ড স্ক্রিনের প্লেলিস্ট আছে সেখান থেকে দেখে নিতে পারো। চলার কথা না পারি আমরা 20তম সপ্তাহের ইংরেজি বিষয়ের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের প্রশ্নটি প্রথম দেখে নিই, তারপরে সমাধান দেখে নিই। অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট 6, লেসন 12, সন অফ দ্য সোয়েল। অ্যাসাইনমেন্টস: think of the title son of the soil in lesson 12. Who is the son of the soil here? Why is the name so? How does the title match the personality referred to the lesson? Justify your answer in the 150 words. You could add some pictures of son and the soil mentioned in the lesson. অর্থাৎ 150 ওয়ার্ডের মাধ্যমে তোমাকে son of the soil অর্থাৎ son of the soil সম্পর্কে লিখতে হবে, যেখানে তোমরা চাইলে এর জন্য প্রয়োজনীয় ছবি সংযোজন করতে পারবে। তো চলো আমরা এর জন্য আনসারটিকে দেখে নিই। Son of the soil, Bangabandhu will live on the heart of millions of Bengalis. He led his nation to freedom from years of alien subjugations. He took on the massive task to unite the people. It was not achieved easily, nor did it happen in a day, or a month, or a year. He struggled since his student years, which ultimately fulfilled his dream of emancipation of the people. Before liberation, the majority of our people lived in the rural areas. Bangabandhu, as a true son of the soil, was connected to his roots and the people. That is why he could speak to the people in their words and reach out to them so easily. The people always felt that he was one of them. The majority of the people could very easily relate to him and his words. The common people always felt one with him, as he never lost touch with the soil of his roots. Unlike most of other politicians who lose touch with their rural beginnings, Bangabandhu remained close to the people of rural Bangladesh throughout his life. That is why he understood them and their problems so well. He was and forever will remain the ultimate son of the soil of Bangladesh, the nation that was under subjugation for ages and was never before thought to be capable of becoming an independent country, became free for the first time in history, and it was made possible by his relentless struggle and sacrifice. To the people in those years, before independence of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu was lovingly addressed as Sheikh Mujib or just Mujib. The said wishful thinking will remain forever within our hearts if only he had him. We can only conjecture what the country would have been like today if only our people's leader and the true son of the soil, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, the father of our nation, the founder of independent Bangladesh, who dreamed of a self-government land for the Bengali people, had been with us a little longer. Imagine all that he could have achieved for his beloved people and country that he strived so hard to make into reality. Though nothing can compare with the reality of his presence, but the indulgence of our dreams permitting, which may be forgiven, as it is not just idle daydreaming but also a vision of reality. As with his earthly daughter at the helm of the country and the patriotic people of this land at her side, we strive to make his dreams for our motherland come true. Thank you for watching.